Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the swing safe. Disconnect power and remove the battery immediately because you will be working near moving parts. Check the visible frame and pivot areas for cracks or bent metal and feel for play in the joint. Once done, collect the replacement pins, grease, and basic tools, an 8mm wrench and Phillips screwdriver. You do this because replacing a worn pivot before test driving prevents bigger failures. Now proceed to remove the access panel and expose the swing assembly. Once the assembly is exposed, remove the retaining clips and slide out the pivot pin while supporting the swing arm so it does not drop. You want to prevent misalignment. Inspect bushings and stack orientation and replace them exactly as the originals sat. Match inner diameter and outer diameter for correct fit. After seating new bushings, coat the pin with a thin layer of grease to reduce friction and corrosion. Then reinsert the pin, secure clips, and check free movement before moving to testing steps. You now tighten fasteners to a firm, specified feel. Make sure not to over-torque because binding can cause premature wear. Once tightened, reconnect the battery or power and perform a full range test while watching for smooth swing, unusual noise, or vertical play under load. If you hear creaks or feel binding, stop immediately. Make sure the bushing alignment is correct and the pin is not bent. If problems persist, replace the pin or bushings again. That single troubleshooting step solves most recurring swing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.